Have you been working from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic? If you're wondering how to claim a deduction for home office expenses on your tax return, we've got you covered. First, visit our website to make sure you're eligible at canada.ca/CRA-home-workspace-expenses. Then, if you're eligible, you have two options. The first option is called the temporary flat rate method. It's the easiest one to use because you don't have to keep documents to support your claim, make detailed calculations, or involve your employer. Simply count the number of days that you've worked from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic and multiply that by $2. This is the amount you can claim, up to a maximum of $400. If you use NetFile to file your taxes, enter this amount when prompted for other employment expenses. If not, you can fill out a short form and attach it to your tax return. Alternatively, you can use the second option called the detailed method. With this option, you can claim a deduction for the employment portion of the eligible home office expenses you paid. Just make sure to keep all the documents that support your claim for 6 years in case the CRA asks to see them, and have your employer complete and sign Form T2200S. Visit our website for all the details and to use our new home office expenses calculator at canada.ca/CRA-home-workspace-expenses.